Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your AirPods and iPhone have charge and Bluetooth is on. With the case lid open, hold it close to the iPhone. This triggers the pairing card. Tap Connect when the iPhone displays the animation. Once done, follow any on-screen prompts for name or setup. You do this because the iPhone uses proximity and a secure authentication handshake to associate the AirPods with your Apple ID and unlock automatic switching later. Once paired, you open Settings Bluetooth and tap the info icon next to your AirPods to control behavior. Set Connect to automatically so the iPhone will route audio as soon as you put AirPods in your ears. Make sure microphone and noise control preferences are set now because those options affect call quality and transparency while switching between devices. You do this to let the system prioritize the closest active device and deliver seamless audio without manual reconnection. To finish, confirm you're signed into iCloud on the iPhone so automatic switching and device handoff work across your Apple ID. Test by playing music and placing AirPods in your ears. Audio should route automatically. If it doesn't, force close audio apps and retry, then restart Bluetooth. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. Then repair. This resolves most persistent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.